In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and reposition an image in the viewer. By the end, you'll be able to quickly adjust the size of an image and place it exactly where you want it on your screen using the on-screen controls. This is perfect for picture-in-picture effects, simple layout tweaks, or matching the look of your overall edit. Start by making sure the image you want to adjust is selected in the timeline. Click directly on that clip so it's highlighted. This tells the software that any changes you make in the viewer apply to this specific image. If multiple items are stacked, double check that the right one is active so you don't accidentally transform a different layer. Next, move up to the viewer and click the transform overlay icon. You're looking for a small square with handles. When it's enabled, you'll see a bounding box appear around your image right in the viewer. This overlay is your workspace for visual adjustments. If you don't see it at first, make sure the image is visible in the current frame and that the playhead is over the selected clip in the timeline. With the overlay active, resize the image by dragging one of the corner handles. Hover until your cursor changes, then click and drag inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. Corners are best because they keep the proportions intact so your image won't look stretched or squashed. As you resize, keep an eye on your composition. Think about how the subject sits within the frame, leave a bit of breathing room near the edges, and consider where text or other elements may appear. If you go too far, simply drag the corner back to a comfortable size. Now reposition the image by dragging inside the frame. Click anywhere within the overlay and move the image to the desired location. Aim for a clean, intentional placement, top corner for a picture-in-picture, centered for emphasis, or offset to balance other elements in your layout. If your software shows alignment guides or snapping lines, use them to keep things tidy and consistent. Make small, precise movements and check the edges to avoid clipping or unwanted gaps. That's it. Select the image in the timeline, enable the transform overlay in the viewer, resize using the corner handles and move it by dragging inside the frame. Take a moment to preview your result and make any fine adjustments until it looks just right. With these simple on-screen tools, refining your image size and position becomes fast, intuitive,